Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the salted caramel cold foam from Starbucks, or the salted caramel cream cold brew, with extra salted caramel cream cold foam. So this stuff here is amazing. It is a foamy consistency of their salted caramel flavoring, and it tastes so good. This cold brew is one of my favorites because it's so flavorful, and it's very similar to the iced caramel macchiato without having that like separation of the two drinks, I guess you could call it. This is all just in one with the foam on top, and it is super good. Cold brews from Starbucks are some of the best tasting drinks out there because they're so like flavorful of coffee, all the still time having like a nice taste to them too. With this, it's caramel, salted caramel cream, or salted vanilla cream cold brew is the vanilla strong flavoring, and I don't know, it's just really good. So I'm gonna get into this. The caramel cold foam is super cool. I'm excited to try this. So the cold foam is similar to the cold brew, but it's really sweet. Instead of the coffee taste, you get like a really sweet flavor, and I think it's really nice. Like it's a good mix to have these both in the drink, because the caramel cold brew is like more coffee flavored, and salted caramel goes with that flavor, but it makes it like a little bit more bitter. Whereas the cold foam is really sweet and nice, and it's kind of the first thing you get when you sip into this. So it's really cool. Caramel is a nice flavor, and it just pairs very well together. Got a bit more coffee that time. And the coffee is, if you're had a cold brew from Starbucks, you know what you're going to get with this. But this is the caramel one, so it's a lot more, I don't want to say sweet. The caramel from Starbucks, the salted caramel especially, is not sweet. It's more bitter, I guess. It has the flavoring in it of the caramel, obviously, but it's kind of different. I don't know how to put it, but it's good. I like it a lot. So this is the salted caramel cold foam, salted caramel cream cold brew. A lot of words that with extra salted caramel cold foam. And the cold foam, delicious. Love the cold foam. So I would give this drink an 8 out of 10. It's really solid. Like good drink, or good consistency, maybe an 8.5, because I like the cold foam a lot, and having this all together is nice. Caramel, flavorful, love it. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.